Hello. Uh, Today I'm going to show you what I got. Something really cool. And this is it right here. It's called a sound bite. See, you can make you can use it to make sound effects, and so from now on, some of my videos might have it, and I use some of the sounds. So I'm gonna go through every single sound. There's stuff like burp, and there's car crash, drum roll. I'm making a video. Kill him. My sister Camel came in while I was. Hey, I didn't know.
You need a sign that says caution, making a video.
I did make some signs, but I barely ever use them. I don't even know where they went. Alright. Well, since my was in this should be the end.